Hello, these are your vocabulary words for Chapter 5. First, we have offering, which is a noun. It is something that is presented as an act of worship, and it is on page 42 in your reader. Next, we have strong-willed, which is an adjective, and it is determined to do what you want even if other people tell you not to. And it is on page 43 in your reader. The third one is bitter and is an adjective, and it is resentful and angry because of unfair treatment, and it can also mean very cold. It's on page 43 in your reader, and in the reader it is the resentful and angry meaning. I loved this picture. And this word is outsmart, and it is a verb, and it means to trick or defeat someone by being clever, and is on page 44 in your reader. And this mouse definitely outsmarted the person who set that trap. Then we have revenge, which is a noun, and is the act of getting even for a wrongdoing, which is then on page 46 in your reader. That was a really hard one to find a picture for. This was the best I could do. Caldera is a noun, and this is a crater caused by the collapse of the top of a volcano. I think that is so beautiful. And it's on page 46 in your reader. Number 7 is lofty, which is an adjective. And it, as you'll find out a little later, has a few meanings, but this one is high up. You can see these birds have a nest that is very high up in a tree. It's lofty. It's on page 47 in your reader. Eternal is an adjective, and it means lasting forever with no beginning and no end. And that is page 49. And then our last vocabulary word is elder, and it's a noun, and it's a person who is older, respected, and often in a position of authority. The plural is elders, and you see this on page 50 in your reader.